Hello, so here's the device. It has the heartbeat functionality and also the randomness. And I'm gonna heat it up with a hairdryer. It's on the pink side right now. And you can see it has turned to the blue side. And so how this code is working is that I'm using the VLO and then initializing the SPI protocol, sampling from the ADC, and this is where the randomness is set. This is the random number generator. It can be more random by seeding from the floating ADC conversion equation. And this is setting the random and making sure the bounds stay within the 8 bits that we have. And this is transmitting the data, the 4 bytes of zeros, and then red, green, and blue. And the global bit, this is the random function. The global bit is set in the watchdog timer. Thank you. And you can see this has returned towards the pink side. It's kind of hard to tell. I wonder if I switch on the light. And then let me try and heat it up again. You can see it's on the blue side. Thank you.